welcome to Yoga Life with Carmina, guys. This is the new Shy Mukbang cooking, baking part of the channel or segment of the channel. So I hope really just to hack those cravings that we like. We don't want to be deprived in eating, but still we want to indulge, yet hopefully it's still on budget and healthy somehow, guys, my version. But we all have different resources from online and from different books from people who are into this, guys. So these are just hacks or ideas if you like. So please do tune in my channel, YouTube channel, Yoga Life with Carmina, for Shy Mukbang. Aside from, live stream, mukbanging, like eating, hacking our cravings, somehow how I introduce having discipline in eating somehow, so as well as in baking and cooking. I had always been interested in hacking cravings, such as today, guys, I wanted a pie and I'm making coconut pie for you, healthy version and on budget. So this one, guys, I am really curious how it would be inside if I bite into it. Alright, let's check, guys. Tastes like coconut buko pie somehow. Okay? So guys, take care, you guys. Bye.